In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how complete beginners, students, and even teenagers are making $200 to $700 a day on YouTube, and how you can do it from day one even with no previous experience. You see, the biggest problem that new creators have on YouTube is that in order to make any money, you need to be approved into the partner program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And for most people, this is discouraging because no one wants to wait for months before they make even a single dollar from their YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to share with you some fascinating insights and how I found 3 ways to make money on YouTube from day one, regardless if you have any subscribers or not. And this is not going to be some nonsense speech after which you will just be confused and have no idea what to do, but I'm actually going to walk you through the process and show you exactly what you need to do to guaranteed make money from your YouTube channel from day one, even without actually showing your face and without recording anything with a camera. It's the same method that this 15 years old teenager used to make $4,000 on YouTube.
I've made more than $4,000.
The same method that this girl uses to make over $30,000 a month on YouTube.
$30,000.
And the same method that so many other people are using to make thousands of dollars a day on YouTube, regardless of how many subscribers they have. You see, the traditional way of making money on YouTube is to grind your way to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time so that you can potentially make anywhere from $2 up to $10 per 1,000 views, depending on your content and where your audience is from. But this channel that I started as an experiment where I didn't even show my face, but I actually just paid a Fiverr girl to record videos for me, made money literally from day one. We had 0 subscribers. Now, you don't need to pay Fiverr girls to record videos for you. I just did this as an experiment to show that I can start a channel from 0 and not use my existing personal brand to make money on YouTube from day one. You see, the idea here is to find something to promote in your videos. And if you pick the right offer, you can make people happy and make money from your YouTube channel from day one. And I will show you exactly which offer I was promoting, but first, I want to show you this channel called Future Tech. They're making videos reviewing different Amazon products, and these are just faceless YouTube automation videos. According to Social Blade, they make a little bit less than $1,000 a month from ad revenue, but they make $30,000 a month in affiliate commissions from the products they're promoting in these videos. That's 30 times more money, and you don't need to be approved into the partner program to promote something in your videos. Even this massive YouTuber Eric knows that. His channel got 2.3 billion views so far, and if we assume he was on average being paid $3 per 1,000 views, that means that he made over $6 million from ad revenue. But in these videos, he was promoting his digital product, his course called Creator Now, which made him over $24 million, which is 4 times more money. So you just need to pick the right offer to promote in your videos to start to make money, regardless of whether you're approved into the partner program or not. And you can find a lot of different affiliate offers in a marketplace like ClickBank, or you can use the platform that I used. I was using the Online Business Academy platform because on there you can join for free, and I was promoting the membership Online Business Club, which pays me $50 a month per person that I refer, which means that I can just refer 20 people and I will have $1,000 a month in recurring affiliate commissions every single month. To join this free affiliate program, just go to onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate, join, create an account, check your email, register, and grab your link from the links and resources section. Okay, but what if you actually want to go the traditional path and you want to make money from ad revenue, but you don't want to wait for months to get approved into the partner program? You see, some of my faceless YouTube channels literally make thousands of dollars a day from ad revenue, which means I'm making money without even selling anything. So I'm not relying on people clicking my links and buying some products. I'm just posting videos and I'm being paid by YouTube depending on how many views the video gets. But I would never be able to make money from those channels unless my YouTube channel channels were first approved into the partner program, which again requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and then you need to pray that the YouTube gods approve you into the partner program. So how can you do all of this in one single day? Well, you could potentially create the most perfect video that will go so viral and get you all of those requirements in a single day, but you wouldn't get approved into the partner program. You will still have to wait a few days to get approved into the partner program or for the analytics to load, but you guaranteed get approved in a single day. You can just go over to a website called dfydave.com/monetization, and there you can get an instantly monetized YouTube channel, and you can start posting videos on there from day one, and every single video that you publish will be earning ad revenue depending on how many views you get. But the point is that you can make money from your YouTube channel from day one, so you don't actually have to wait for 12 months to get approved into the partner program. The only downside is that it's obviously not free, but if you think about it, you would otherwise have to wait for 12 or 18 months. You would waste 12 months of you posting content, makes $0, miss out on thousands of dollars in potential ad revenue to potentially one day get approved into the partner program. Or on the flip side, you could get approved literally today and make money from your YouTube channel from day one. And method number 3, something that 99% of YouTube creators use to make the majority of their money, and that is selling digital products. And I will show you how you can start selling digital products and start getting traffic and sales from day one, even with 0 subscribers. You see, even I myself promote digital products both on this channel that you're watching right now and on my faceless YouTube channels. But as I previously showed you, even some of the biggest mainstream YouTube creators like Eric are promoting courses and digital products on their YouTube channels. And people don't watch them for education, people watch them for entertainment, but he already made over $24 million from that. I also made a post how Andrew Tate makes over $500,000 a day from his own digital product or from his own course, and how he's been making money selling courses for the past 5 years. How Iman Gaji has made millions of dollars selling digital products and courses. And for all of that, you don't need to have subscribers or be approved into the partner program, especially if you build a high-ticket digital product which you can sell for $1,000. You just need 20 subscribers. Out of those 20 subscribers, if 10 of them purchase the product, you make $10,000. Easier said than done, not gonna lie, but it's a lot easier as well to build a loyal audience that trusts you, that can potentially buy a high-ticket product from you, than to build something that's mainstream and compete for millions of subscribers to make some money. Now, again, if you list your digital product on the Online Business Academy platform by going over to onlinebusinessacademy.com and then click on Start Selling, you can get instant traffic from the platform itself. You can get over 13,000 affiliates promoting the course for you. You get to keep 100% of the profits from your every sale. You will get a done for you sales page so that you don't have to build a website from scratch, but it's actually going to be optimized for highest conversion for you. You will get lifetime promotions. You will get a community. You will get coaching. You will get courses that will show you exactly how to build that product and also how to promote it even further. But even if you don't promote it yourself, you can still get traffic and sales from the platform itself. And then from your YouTube channel, you just get additional extra sales that you normally wouldn't get if you build a website yourself from scratch. And again, this option is also not free as well, but it's a lot cheaper than if you went out there and then you spend hundreds of dollars on building a website from scratch, then the domain and hosting, and then the copywriting, which probably wouldn't be as good. And then you actually have to go out there and promote everything from scratch, and then you have to pay thousands of dollars for traffic, and then you need to make countless videos promoting the courses and digital products yourself. So you would potentially waste thousands of dollars to do all of that yourself to get some results. Or you can go out there and list your product on this platform and instantly get traffic, get the sales page, get support, promotions, and so on and so forth. So it's much cheaper to do it that way. And of course, you get way better results because platform is trusted by millions of people. So those are 3 ways that I use to make money from YouTube channels from day one, even with 0 subscribers. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.